Good morning. Lots to share with you this week, and our main focus will be getting the tool barn clad. This fox didn't help us at all, but he's adorable, and so he did make the final cut. Hey, so just before we start, I have been having quite a lot of people commenting about not liking the music, not liking the type of music, or that there's music at all. I actually had one person say, take it off because they're not here to dance. And maybe you could be. There's no way I can please everyone. But since having the comments, I've been more aware that I've limited what choices I've made when picking music. And that kind of makes me sad. So I decided that I'm going forwards just going to put what makes me happiest. So if something makes me laugh or smile or just feels right when I'm editing a scene, then I'm going to use it. And I really do hope that most of you enjoy it. And I just think it's really important that I keep our personalities in the videos. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. There is definitely a huge mix of music that I've put in, almost like I'm making up for some lost videos. So yeah, thanks for listening to my little segment here, and I hope you enjoy the video and all of the music that I chose. All right, we have this Friday off, and there's a whole bunch of tasks that need to get done, but we haven't prioritized them because of other things. So we've put, well, Dan doesn't know what's in here. I've put a whole bunch of important tasks that we haven't been prioritizing into this, and he's gonna reach in and pick one, and then we're gonna spend up to an hour doing it, and then if it's done, it's done, and if it's not, we'll leave it where it is, and then pick a new one and move on. So we're gonna see how many we can get through today. Are you ready?
Yes.
We're definitely all serious.
I'll bet.
All right, don't look. Some of them have opened.
Okay, I won't look.
Okay, pick just one. I don't know why I'm not looking.
Is that one? No. There we go. I got one.
All right.
Can I read it?
Yeah, what is it?
Vertical battens on gable.
Okay, that's probably the least far away from what we've been doing anyways.
Okay.
But it's on there.
Yeah. So now we've got 1 hour. I'm going to set a timer. We'll see where we can get in an hour.
All right.
And then we'll come back and do another one.
All right. That's probably the least exciting.
So this is the same as we've done on this end, but on the far end. It's got to be battened.
Yeah.
Right. An hour starts now.
Okay. So we finished with 5 minutes to go. So we've got all the vertical battens on. And so we're going to go on to the next task. I'll let you keep picking. Do you want to pick? Feel like, what's the next one?
The next one is add reducer to water system. It's an intimidating one.
Okay, so there's a reducer piece that we need to add to our water system so that we can put our washing machine on. But it means essentially if we try to tighten it on and it's loose and we turn the water on, it's going to flood the watershed.
Do it.
All right.
1 hour, starting now.
So, in the future, we can do the washing machine hookup and do this guy better. And it's good. We're done. Okay, so we actually managed to get the reducer on the water system with 15 minutes to go.
2 for 2.
Yeah, and it doesn't leak now. So that was something we were intimidated by for a while. And it's done now. The washing machine needs a few more steps before we can set it up, but that's really good. Almost on to the next step. There's one in there that I almost wish I didn't put in, but I bet it's the next one. So please don't pick that one. But let's see what's the next
Go
task.
into the magic box of
Don't
tricks.
peek. Don't pick it. What does it say? Oh no, what does it say? Don't say it.
Move fence post piles.
Okay.
So we've got piles of fence posts in the way of where we want to dig a trench. So I guess we're gonna.
And they're in the grass and the muck, and so we want them moved and not getting ruined. So.
See what we can do.
Yeah.
1 hour, starting now.
To move 200 fence posts.
Right, that's probably the most physical hour. 1 pile out of 2 fence posts relocated and nicely stacked. And now we feel we've earned ourselves a lunch break.
Yeah. We're excited about the bucket. I think it's getting some much needed tasks done as well then.
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's fun! Yay! All right, I'm not allowed to have a nap. We just had lunch and I'm tired. Coffee doesn't wake me up. Anyways.
I know what'll perk you up.
Task
time.
Task time. All right, don't pick the rubbish one. What's the next one? We're gonna spend the next hour doing, one of them is shorter than an hour, so what's...
The next hour we will be cutting down the house tree.
We're cutting down the house tree. So there's a house. Nope. Well, there's not a house yet. There's a tree growing out of our house. You all have seen it in the earlier videos at the back left. And we're going to cut it down. Today's the day.
Because that's not where trees grow.
It's not where they're supposed to grow. So it's coming down today. So we got a good part of the tree down, but not the trunk bit. I think we're going to get the little chainsaw attachment for that. But we spent an hour on it and got some down.
Mm-hmm.
Time for another one. The bad one is still in there. All right. What is it?
OSB for tool barn.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's a pretty boring one, but it does need to be done.
Yeah. Okay.
So we just got some finishing bits of OSB around the top side of the walls that need to be cut, measured, cut, put on.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, next hour done. We managed to get one piece up. I think this is one of the reasons we haven't been doing this job, is because it's a faff and you have to cut and take it down and fix it and cut. That side's done. And then Dana's mostly marked out and cut the other corner piece. But I have, you're slightly frustrated because you want to just finish it and
No,
we're supposed to be on to the next task.
Next one.
So unfortunately, we're closer to that one I really don't want to do. Let's see if you can manage to avoid it today. Don't look. Which one is it? Do I have to grab it and run?
Move IBC somewhere nice.
Yeah. So the unused IBC is just sat there looking stupid. So I was thinking,
Oh, sorry, go on then.
yeah? We can put it there if you want. That's out of the way as well. That's a good idea. What I was going to suggest is we put it behind the watershed, which is half as far.
Yeah, that sounds better.
You would rather it there?
Yeah, but also it's not nice for them to look at.
No. Okay, cool. So behind the watershed.
Okay.
So that shouldn't take an hour. That's one of the quicker
Okay.
tasks.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, it wasn't a very long task, but I think I got bruises everywhere because it kept hitting me.
9
And
minutes that one took.
Shins in the hip, and I think I have bruises on my shoulders. So, yeah, I got a couple bruises, but 9 minutes. And I've been meaning for us to do that, so don't pick the crappy one, please. It's gonna be it. I should,
Not many left. We're cracking through them.
we have all sorts of stuff in that beard. Okay.
Move stuff for the tip off the driveway out of view.
Yeah, that's all that leftover metal cuttings and everything, because we almost, like, there's a chance the truck will drive over it when we back out and stuff, and it doesn't look nice. I know you don't say that as a matter of priority, do you?
No, but it's on the list, so we've got
It's
to
on
do
the
it.
list, and it'll take 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
we're doing it. It's my list. Done.